Guys, welcome back to the Ski channel with St. R. Edwards. Thank you for joining me once again. So we're going to continue on in lesson 2.4 in the book App Development with Swift. And in this particular lesson, we're going to talk about overriding methods and properties. So go ahead and open up a new playground and we're going to go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of the examples we used here just previously in our first video. And so I'm going to go vehicle, class vehicle, and I'm going to say var current speed equals 0. I'm going to say var description is a type string, and we want to return traveling at current speed miles per hour, exclamation. All right, and then we want to say func, I will say make some noise. I need that. I need a return type. And then we'll just go, we'll do something later. All right, so we got that. And now what we want to do is we want to override a method, and we want to show an example of overriding a property. So this is what I'll do. I'll create another class called train that is inheriting from vehicle, the parent class and the superclass, right? Or parent class and the child class or the subclass. And so now what I want to do is use the override keyword. So you say override, and we're going to override the function, make some noise. And now what we want to do here is we want to say choo choo. All right, so it's going to print that. So that's very important. You use the override keyword when you want to implement your own function that the parent class uses. Okay, it's as simple as that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create an instance of this train class. So we're going to say let train equals train, parentheses, and then we're going to say train dot make some noise, and then watch the console. What we got? Look at that. Choo choo. I'm the little engine that could, in case you didn't figure that out. All right, so next we're going to do a property. All right, so we're going to override a property now. All right, so we're going to go class. We're going to go car. And the parent class is vehicle. And so now what we're going to do is we want to create another property, a new property called gear. And we'll just say equals to 3. And then now we want to override the property, the computer property that's called description up there. Override var description. And we want to say, we want to return. We wanted to use the super keyword dot description, okay? Because we're implementing our own change. Well, the super keyword says, hey, we want to use the parents, the super classes implementation, but we're also going to add our own implementation. So that's what that says. All right, so we're going to do super.description, and we're going to go plus. So what does it say? It said the first one says traveling at current speed miles per hour. So we're going to say we're driving in gear uphill. All right, cool. So now we got that. So now you can make an instance of this class. You can say let my car equals car, and then you can say my car dot description, and then we can print it. I'll print it. we'll say so we print it and we'll see what it says in the console. Yeah, I don't want to use all that. I forgot. I need to erase some of that. So yeah, that was too much. So traveling at so I need to say, yeah, that's my bad, guys. So we need to give it the speed, of course. So we want to do traveling at current speed miles per hour, and then we'll go in gear, and an exclamation mark. So we'll say, yeah, so we'll do that. And then we'll say my car dot current speed equals 65. And so we'll say print we'll interpolate this and we'll say my car dot current speed, and we'll see what we get. Oh, not current speed, my car dot description, my bad. Again, guys, car traveling at 65 miles per hour in gear 3. All right, that worked out. Finally. Okay, cool. All right, so stay tuned for more, guys. That is it for this lesson. Thank you for checking out the Ski Channel Swift Coding for Everyone. Take care.